A widget lets you take any of your Autohive agents and drop it straight onto your website as a chat bubble your visitors can use without ever logging in. Great for support, sales, capturing leads. Setup is easy. Create a widget, pick your agent, customize it, then paste the install script on your site. Let me show you. Here we have an agent called Support Assistant. We'll go to the left navigation, click More, and go to Widgets. Here we'll create our first widget. We can give it a widget name. This allows us to identify it within Autohive. We can select our agent and give it a domain name that we want it to show on. Then we can select the appearance, give it a welcome message, change the position of the icon, even change the color. Next we have behavior. We can allow users to take a screen grab of the web page they're currently on, enable file attachments and change what types of files that they can attach, and even rate limit the messages to prevent them from sending spam. We can create the widget. Here we have the install script. There's a single script line that we need to add somewhere into your header or footer of your web page. You can also include visitor information, such as name and email. This allows you to show the person's name in the conversation. Now that it's created, we can preview it. Previewing it shows it up on a test site. This is within Autohive, but gives you an idea of what it's going to look like on your site. We click on the icon to show the widget, and then we can chat with it. And there we have it. You now have a widget you can drop into your website and use. If you want to turn it off at any time, we can go back into the widgets and disable it. That will prevent it from showing up on your website without having to go and re-edit the site to remove the script tag. If you want to change it, modify it, etc., once you're happy with it, you can re-enable it, and now it will show up on your site again.